the largest sized, driving double-barrel thresher in Korea. It is used for threshing beans and red bean crops, threshing while driving by attaching it to a tractor, so it can thresh without piling of beans in one spot, unlike conventional thresher. The processing is fast, and even the beans with stem are continuously injected. They are automatically separated and discharged, and the threshing barrel was designed in pairs to prevent the beans from splashing out. By a double screw combination, a hole net, and a large chain-type grain elevator, the grains are removed cleanly with little residue and then put in the bag through the elevator. Youngshin Farm Machinery's oversized driving double-barrel thresher can work easily and efficiently, greatly reducing labor and time without having to lay the tent on the floor.